quick tip for intermediate, I guess advanced players, and even beginner players. When I play transitions, if I'm going to my 1 to my 4, and I want to play a transition, I like to play like an augmented chord. Playing like a D major 7, then I'll play my augmented chord, will actually be the F sharp with B flat in the bass, or excuse me, A flat in the bass. So it'll be. So instead of playing that chord every time, I can play the whole tone scale instead of playing the chord. So check it out. See that? So, see that? And that works. Hope that helps. See you in the next video.